guys, the job we're about to show you went ahead with an advertising like this, and the biggest thing to look out for in these signs is none of them display their license number, and what that generally means is they're operating under the QBCC insurable works limit of $3,300. Don't deal with people like this, and we're about to show you why. Hi guys, so we're here in Marsden today and we're doing a roof inspection for a real estate company that we do some work for. Just want to point out a couple of quick things. When you're dealing with companies like the old owner of this property did, they hired one of those cheap get your roof painted from $3,000 signs on a lamppost, unlicensed contractor. So you can see here they've done a very quick, cheap roof preparation and paint job, and it's caused complete blistering of the whole trim deck substrate, and that's really hard to get back. Also, rather than pull screws out and put new screws in and retension them, they've left screws proud and they've siliconed the holes, which is a sign of real poor quality and lazy workmanship. Thirdly, there's other areas on the roof where they've just not put any screws in. One left holes or two attempted to conceal the holes. So these are all the typical things that you need to look out for of why you shouldn't deal with certain people who pretend they're roofing contractors. Deal with an expert, get it done right the first time. These poor people spent $3,000 and now they're going to probably need to replace this whole side of the roof. So apart from that, not meeting the Brisbane City Council or other councils' bylaws with regards to advertising and paying for that advertising, we only put signs out the front of our jobs. As a licensed contractor, anybody that displays a sign must have their license number on it and must display it out the front of their works while they're working on it. We don't need to put signs out the front of lampposts or homes that we haven't worked on. We put them proudly out the front of the jobs that we've completed, and we will show you the difference why.